Gonna put gas. It has no gas. It won't even start up. So yeah, we got the gas tank right here, full of gas, and we're about to. Oh my god. So we got it filled up. Now it's time to cover this. About to start it up. Guys, my truck is messed up. It doesn't want to start. I left it for about 4 months sitting without starting it, and this is what I get. So yeah, I guess I had to switch out the. It just does that. So I'm thinking it's my gas pump. I have to switch it out. But yep, that's that. Oh, this steering wheel is hot. It's been in the sun. But yeah, we had to switch out the gas pump. Let's try it one more time. Yup, it just got worse. The battery doesn't want to really work, and the gas pump is garbage. So yeah, we have to switch out the gas pump. I think that's it. Hopefully it starts. So yeah, but it's whatever. It's not my daily. I don't really mind, but I do kind of miss turning it on. But yeah, I haven't started it for like 4 months, as I said. I think it's been like 4 months. So yeah, old already and needs a lot of maintenance. I think it just needs work and love, as you guys can see. So yeah, it probably has a few stuff messed up, or it might just need a new battery. Who knows? I don't know. It could be either one or two. Oh, almost ran over the gas tank. But yeah, it's either one or two, the gas pump or the battery or something else. Who knows? But yeah, just get out of here because it's freaking hot. So yeah, that's the truck. There's no point in bringing gas if it's not gonna start up. But yeah, let me pop the engine because I need to get a battery. Where's the screw? Oh, I lost the screw. Frick. See, it's all dusty. I haven't even cleaned out the engine. I haven't had time. So, yeah, look. The clouds of dust everywhere. So, yep. This, that's that. So, yeah. We're gonna fix this truck pretty soon, though. Pretty soon. So, yeah, we're gonna replace parts, get it going, and hopefully get it on the streets. So